perks of being out here in North Buckland is you've got over 1.8 acres of gardens and grounds, perfectly landscaped in areas for great garden use, such as this fantastic space here that we're on now. And I'll show you a bit more about the land as we go along. Hi everyone, my name is John from Fine & Country in Braunton, and today we're at North Buckland to show you around Gibbs, a beautiful period farmhouse. Let's take a look inside this wonderful home. With the age of this property and all that character and beautiful features throughout, you get fantastic redeeming features like this stone inglenook fireplace with built-in oven from the history and a little inglenook window as well to let that light pour in. This is the perfect room for those winter cozy evenings. This beautiful Grade 2 listed farmhouse was built in 1650 and is steeped in character, but has been perfectly modernised with comforts throughout. This beautiful handmade wooden kitchen is a fantastic selling point, but one place that I really do love is the addition the current owners have made in the garden room. And here we are in my favourite part of the house, this beautiful garden room. As you can see, it's got a triple aspect, solid floors, this fantastic vaulted ceiling with exposed beams, and a wood burner for those evenings in the winter. It really is an all year round room, and I absolutely love it. If you work from home, you can get reasonable broadband here, and obviously a fantastic office space to work from, detached from the rest of the house, but still within the same home. It really is a practical space to work from. Although this home is an aged house, it has all the modern comforts. This large bedroom is the main bedroom here with a wash hand basin, ensuite bathroom, and large fitted wardrobes, and plenty of space to fit any size bed with a fantastic dual aspect and views over the front garden. I asked the current owners what they love about Gibbs and what made them buy it, and this is what they said.
When we moved here, we had small grandchildren who would take to Putsborough Beach with buckets and spades. They've grown up through our time here and still use the sea, but now for surfing. So a great, much loved family home surrounded by countryside, extremely peaceful and picturesque, in a natural setting filled with birdsong, but with neighbours close by.
The gardens really are perfect for every single use. You can have your lifestyle change with the animals to one side, and you've got these fantastic landscape lawns for the family the other. Here we are in the paddock of the grounds here at Gibbs, and as you can see, it's got a brilliant barn workshop, perfect for that total lifestyle change. If you want to get your own animals, there's plenty of space here to suit goats, sheep, ducks, whatever you would like. There's plenty of space here for it, and behind is a beautiful bluebell field, which we'll show you as well. For those who don't know where North Buckland is, it's just on the outskirts of Braunton. It's very close to the seaside and the golden beaches, but it's a perfect quaint little hamlet, and it's just a mile's walk from Georgeham, where you've got two fantastic pubs to go to, so there's a lovely countryside walks nearby. And that completes this video tour here for Gibbs in North Buckland. It really is a beautiful period home. So for more information or to book your viewing, give me a call on 01271 818 121. I look forward to showing you very soon.